let's just do a little bit of house cleaning here. We see all of our logging here. This could kind of get in the way. You might want to be able to turn it on and off, but for the moment, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up to my database, and I'm going to switch this, not switch it, but I'm going to add an object here. And by setting logging to false, I'll only end up seeing my tests, which looks pretty nice. The other thing that I want to do is that this might be the database that I'll use to run my application, and I really want to have a separate database for testing. So I'm actually going to have to go in here, and I'm going to say that my database URL is going to end up being, and I'm going to put Postgres in here, and this is going to be localhost, and this is going to be Acme TDD test database. And again, this is also a pretty common thing to do. When I end up doing this, I'm going to have to restart. And I'm lucky because I think this database, I ended up creating it before, but it exists. So you might have to go and create that database when you do that. But you want to be able to run your tests and your application at the same time. And if they end up using the same database, you're going to run into all kinds of issues here. So what this is really saying is, hey, look, if I don't put anything here, I'll use this database. That's what I'll do when I'm testing locally. But when I end up running my tests, I'm going to end up wanting to use this database. So that just cleans things up a little bit.